got nothing to hide. I got nothing to hide. I got nothing to hide. Nothing.
Now, Volkswagen, translated in English to mean the people's car, is built on safety, integrity, performance, economy, and durability, and is supported by the power of German engineering. They are the largest car manufacturer in the world, and its use of technology and safety in every model is a part of what makes it so successful. Today I stand before you as part of the Volkswagen family, reintroducing the 22 Tiguan Allspace. This is one of our most popular models, and that has consistently been a brand favorite over 2 generations. Packed with German technology, the Tiguan has always been loved because it checks all the boxes: reliability, safety, style. But here at VW, we're only 100% satisfied when you are 100% satisfied with us. And so we're excited to introduce this new model that's guaranteed to meet all your expectations.
Now imagine an SUV that has all your favorite features, like safety, and I know some of you are already Tiguan owners and would have enjoyed that feature already, reliability, and that classic style that Damien would have just mentioned or referred to, being refreshed to offer you a little bit more power, more technology, and even a little bit more space. It's one of the most comfortable SUVs to drive. The Tiguan Allspace almost sounds too good to be true, but it is. That's the VW magic. VW engineers have managed to keep the essence of the Tiguan Allspace largely unchanged while making the necessary changes to make it more powerful, a little longer, and a lot more outstanding. To put it simply, Jamaica's favorite German engineered vehicle has just gotten better.